Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how you can add a language in keyboard on an iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to add a language to your keyboard. It is because you're somebody who is bilingual and uses more than one language. So you want to add more languages to your keyboard so you could also use that. Or maybe you're just learning another language so you just wanted keyboard on your mobile phone. That's why you're looking for it or whatever reason it could be for you. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Before adding a language to our keyboard, first we will see how our keyboard looks like when we are using it in English. So here you can see this is the English keyboard. If you want to add another language you can also add it, but first here you can see when I'm typing it is writing in the English. This is the normal keyboard that exists in every mobile phone. So now if you want to add another language, what you could do is you could click on this icon. You could see this globe icon. If you click on it, then another language will be selected if you have added in your keyboard, and if you have not added into your keyboard then you cannot select into another language. So here I have selected the language Urdu. So that's how I'll show you how easily you can add any language of your choice. Whether you speak this language or you're about to learn it, you can easily add it. So for that, first we have to go to the settings. This is the settings icon. You just have to get there and you just have to swipe up, and then this option will pop up. This is the search bar, which is here for the search. Here you have to type for keyboard. You can only add 2 to 3 letters and then keyboard option will pop up. You can see you just have to simply click on it, and once you click on it you will get into the keyboard settings. At the top, as you can see, it says keyboards and it has all the options that are related to keyboard. You just have to simply click on the first option of this page, which is again keyboards. Here you will see all the languages that you have added into your keyboard. Right now we have only three keyboards: English, Urdu and emojis. If you want to add another language, what you could do is you have to click on this last option which says add new keyboard. If you click on it, there you will get all the languages that are installed or you can see pre-installed into your mobile phone. So you can select any one of these options, and if you can't find any of the options that you're looking for, then you can search it from the search bar which is on the top of the page. You just have to simply type for that language and then that language will come up and you just have to click on it. So here I'm clicking on Arabic, and sometimes languages has also two types. You just have to select any one of these and then these language will be added to your keyboard. Here you can see we just added keyboard. If you want to add more you can also add it. You just have to again click on it, and now we will see how we can use it. So here you can see we have this English language. If you click on this icon, which is you could say globe icon, then languages will keep changing. So if you press it once, then the next language will come. If you press it again, then the next language will come. So that's how you can use any one of the languages that you have added into your keyboard. As you can see, I have just selected Albanian, and that's how you can also add Arabic or any language that you speak. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add languages to your keyboard in iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.